Imagine an Africa with one voice, one economy, and one destiny. This was not a fantasy, it was the bold vision of Ghana's founding father, Kwame Nkrumah, a vision he called, "Africa must unite." In the 1960s, as African nations broke free from colonial rule, Kwame Nkrumah called for something revolutionary, not just political independence but continental unity. A United States of Africa, where 54 countries move forward together, stronger, wiser, and independent of foreign domination. Nkrumah's plan had structure. He envisioned 8 powerful pillars to unite Africa: a common African market, open borders for trade, travel, and opportunity, common citizenship, one Africa, one passport, a federal government to harmonize policies and defend African values, 54 states, united like stars in a single constellation, a central defense system to protect against internal and external threats, one central bank, stabilizing the economy for all, a single currency, breaking away from dependency on former colonial powers. And finally, one foreign policy, one united African voice on the global stage. Today, pieces of the dream are being built. The African Union leads political collaboration. The AfCFTA, the world's largest free trade area, connects over 1.3 billion people, and discussions of a unified passport and currency continue. Yet obstacles remain: economic inequality, language barriers, and foreign interference. Kwame Nkrumah knew that true freedom meant more than independence. It meant unity. It meant power. It meant an Africa that rises together. Do you believe in that vision? Then share and subscribe, help keep the dream alive.